Hello and welcome to political section of the Daily Guardian. I am Riya Tyagi this side. PM Modi departs for Japan as part of three-nation tour on Friday. Prime Minister Narendra Modi embarked on the first part of his three-nation trip, which will also take him to New Guinea and Australia to attend the G7 summit in Hiroshima. India has been invited as a guest country for the G7 summit. The broad terms of the G7 summit preferences regarding their outreach with the invited guest countries are nuclear disarmament, economic resilience and economic security, regional issues, climate and energy, food and health and development. During his visit, PM Modi is likely to have a series of bilateral meetings, including with Japan Prime Minister. The Prime Minister is also scheduled to unveil a bust of Mahatma Gandhi in Hiroshima. Foreign Secretary Vinay Mohan Kwatra said on Friday that there is a plan for Quad leaders meeting in Hiroshima. The Quad meeting, which was scheduled to be held in Australia, was cancelled after US President Joe Biden deferred his visit due to crucial debate sealing talks in Washington. PM Modi stated in his statement before leaving the India current G20 presidency make his attendance at the G7 summit particularly significant. The G7 summit will take place in Hiroshima, Japan from May 19 to 21. At the Prime Minister of Japan request Mr. Fumio Kishida, I will travel to Hiroshima, Japan to attend the G7 summit. While Japan is the G7 presidency after his recent trip to India for the India-Japan summit, it will be pleasure to see Prime Minister Kishida once more. Given that India is hosting the G20 presidency. This is it for this video. Stay tuned for more updates and do not forget to like, share and subscribe the channel.